The judge wey dey handle the case filed by the senator wey dey represent Kogi Central Senatorial District, Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, don remove himself from the matter. Justice Egwatu of Federal High Court for Abuja, during the proceedings wey shele for March 10, 2025, bin don adjourn the case go March 25, 2025 to make sure say all the documents wey dey concern the case go reach the parties wey dey concerned. For the hearing wey shele on March 25, 2025, Justice Egwatu come make brief ruling and come announce say e go remove himself from the case. E come order say make the case file transfer go the chief judge to give another judge to continue the case. Justice Egwatu tok say the reason why e dey remove himself na sake of the rumours wey dey say him no go fit handle the case fairly. Meanwhile, the Court of Appeal don adjourn the hearing of the application wey the Presido of the Senate file, wey go ask for permission to appeal the decision of Justice Egwatu of the Federal High Court, Abuja. The hearing don shift go April 7, 2025. Justice Egwatu bin rule say all the application wey concern the matter say dem go hear am together. For the Court of Appeal, the applicant come ask for more time to reply to the counter affidavit wey the respondent file. This one come make the court dem adjourn the hearing. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame.